Green Huracan lifted. Underbody inspection. Listen to the hydraulic hiss and clamps. Setting ram pressure. Gentle clamp, precise alignment. Keeping everything true. Cleaning rust. Fitting a steel reinforcement. Tight clamp, no shape change. Short tacks only, controlled heat, perfect beads, sparks crisp. Alignment locked. Torque verified. Lowering smoothly. Huracan stays pristine.
Same green Huracan. Rear bay open. Let the clicks do the talking. No talk, just precision. Watch threads. Listen to clean clicks. Deep clean. No scratches. Hyper-detailed metal. Paint and glass. Torque to spec. No start. Just satisfaction. Same car. Steady POV.
GoPro POV. Same green Huracan. US workshop. Preparing gentle panel restoration. Soft taps from inside. Reshaping the dent without touching the green paint. Fine sanding on an inner seam. Delicate dust falls. Color stays perfectly consistent. Block sanding and straight edge check. Factory lines true. Proportions untouched. No new paint. Smooth panels. Crisp reflections. Same green Huracan. Restored. Sealed booth. GoPro POV. Green metallic Huracan. Same car. Consistent lighting. Smooth HVLP spray. Even fan. 12 inches away. Razor sharp detail. No color shift. Driver side panels. Overlapping passes. Controlled airflow. Wide stance intact. Zero artifacts. Rear quarter and bumper. Short overhang. Sharp lines. Uniform green metallic. Photoreal textures. Final inspection pass. Vibrant, consistent gloss. The same Huracan. Perfectly even. Soft start. Final paint correction on the green Huracan. Listen to the rotary spin. Slow passes, minimal pressure. Hear the purr. Swirls fade as the finish levels. Gentle microfiber buff. No rush. Watch the mirror-like reflection sharpen the Huracan's lines. Side panel correction. Sharp edges. Wide stance. Color stays true. Green metallic. Zero shift. Final wipe down. Perfect focus. No haze. No swirls. Just glassy paint. And pure ASMR. Same Huracan. Gentle restoration today. Pure ASMR. No gimmicks. Controlled vacuum passes. Seam to seam. Hear the clean pull. Soft brushing. Light pressure. Alcantara lifted. Pile align. Light cleaner. Microfiber glide. Leather breathes. Original grain preserved. Buttons, paddles, trim. Gentle wipe. Keep matte finish. Remove oils. Factory new look restored. Same green Huracan. Clean. Quiet. Perfect.
Same Huracan, green metallic. Starting an electrical check. ASMR only. Gentle and precise. Inspecting the underdash harness. Pin alignment, no corrosion. Everything looks solid. Reconnecting modules securely. Listen for clean connector clicks. No play. Snug fit. Powering systems. Infotainment boots flawless. Cluster sweep steady. Switches feel crisp. All systems pass. No glitches, no errors. Electrical repair complete.
Final detail session. Green metallic Huracan, flawless. Keep it quiet. Let the ASMR breathe. Brake dust gone. Gentle brush, slow rinse. Hear each droplet. Polishing the rim to a mirror finish. No scratches, only shine. Crystal glass, streak free. Wipe, flip the cloth, final pass. Slow walk around. Panel gaps perfect. Lamborghini Huracan restored. Showroom clean.